Hi, I'm Dobry from Magnimetrics. Did you know that one of our goals is to provide you with great educational content? Every week, I write an article to discuss a topic in financial analysis and modeling. I keep it straightforward and easy to read, as we believe in simple explanations that help you learn faster. Each article has a practical section with a detailed example and Excel model you can download for free. All you need to do is head over to Magnimetrics.com where you can access all our content. Here's an article on sensitivity analysis where we clearly outline the concepts and give you an example file that you can use in your own modeling. Just click on the download link and the file is yours for free. So head over to Magnimetrics.com and explore our constantly growing knowledge bank. That's Magnimetrics.com. See you there.